Please tell me we've got hot water. This is lamb colostrum. So this is effectively, you know, like baby milk powder that you get in the shops for babies. So this is like the replacement colostrum, which the lambs need to get within the first few hours of birth. So they need this. So this basically replaces the colostrum from the mum. But Jenny thinks this is for her. Jenny's needy. If they don't get this supplement, then it's going to affect their immune system, because at the moment it doesn't look like they have a huge amount of energy. So they've obviously not been getting enough from her overnight. So we'll just give them that wee boost.
I've managed to juggle business and this.
Honestly, with great difficulty. And coffee. And the odd glass of wine. And going to bed occasionally. But actually, when you do it all and you wake up and then you've got something like that greeting you in the morning. Hey, Jenny? Hey, Weeman? If anybody wonders what we do with the stained towels from the cottages, this is what we do with the stained towels from the cottages. We don't waste anything. So our lambs are perfectly looked after in 600 thread count Egyptian cotton. Hi everybody, are you ready to welcome the new babies? How are they doing?
Well, she's not knocking them away, but she's ignoring them.
Is there any in their tummies at all? Do you want to give me one? She's not cleaned it, so she'll not take that one. You were a tough one, weren't you? Come on, I'm getting it. Hello. Shall we make you all warm? Will we? Make you all warm? Eh? Oh. We'll see if you'll take any. Will we? Eh? There we go. You're okay, you got this. You're a bit of a chewer. Are you? It's kind of like bittersweet though, because really it's best for them to be able to be on their mums. You know, it is better for them, and there's always like a bit of a heart wrench when you have to, you know, intervene a wee bit. But you know that if you don't, then, you know, it's that fine line of how much time do you give it. And did you just pee down my leg? Hey! Hey! So it is bittersweet, you know. But you know that if you didn't do it, then they wouldn't make it. So James at the minute is just, she's adopted it onto its own mother. So what he's done is he's actually, because sometimes just actually getting them to suck will actually get the mum back in the mood. Oh, there we go. Look at you getting a good suck on. Let's go introduce her to our bunkmate. Hey. Hey, let's get you warmed up. Hey. What are you? Are you a boy or a girl? Another little girl. Another little girl. Hey. As with anything on a farm, if it's a girl, then you can reproduce from them. Boys, obviously limited reproduction, because you only need one to cover, you know. Sorry, this is the exhaustion coming through, isn't it? This is going to be like major blooper reel time. We've had a pretty steady run, actually, of more yow lambs this year. Last year was lots of top lambs, lots of boys. this year. More yows than tops, which is good. What we now need to do is find somewhere for you to sleep, hey? But you can see this one now. Now that it's cozy. Straight to sleep. We're running out of playpens. We've got the one by the door there. And then we've got one pen out there that we use for just putting them in when they initially come out of the house. Just to keep them separate from the others. Just while they get used to the weather and things, and it gives them their own designated spot to shelter. You ready for sleep? This one we don't have a name for yet. We need to wait for her personality.
You don't name them after just like people?
No, the first two animals that I ever had that we named after people died. So I've just stopped doing that. The lambs, not the people, thank God. We're not cooking her early down here, by the way. We're just heating her up.
You won't be to open it up and switch it off.
Is it not on?
Because it's not.
Oh, for sake,
Well, the oil
James.
switched off.
She's not that weak, but she's... We got noise. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Oh, hello. Hello. Yeah. 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 Yep, that's how I heard in the middle of the night last night. You want to try some more milk? Don't poop in the oven, please. Hey, don't go into the recycling bin. What do you want? You're okay. You'll get used to me. You can't talk and eat at the same time.